Uh, Kia ora, hello. My name is Tamaiti Taylor. My friends and family just call me Tama for short. Resided here in Queensland, Logan, now since 2016. I've had a few jobs under my belt, a couple of jobs under my belt. I've worked for Titan garages, delivering garages, of course, driving. I delivered hand unloaded garages for a while and worked my way up to driving a high-ab for them, uh, with a 13 speed splitter. And and after that, I was made redundant from there after 14 months. Then I moved on to driving for Queensland Transport, contracting out of DB Shinka for tolls, doing curtain side work, pallet on, pallet off stuff for office works. I've had a couple of other jobs driving, but they were only real short term. So the last job I've had was driving out of DB Shinka, and that would have been for about 8 months. And due to restructuring of his company, the guy no longer needed me there. So I've been out of work now for maybe 2 months now. I'm real keen to get back into work. I don't mind working with any ethnicity. I get on with everyone. I'm a team player. I make sure the job gets done. I go a bit further than the job at hand if needs to be. I like to complete every task that's given to me. I have my family here. I have 2 children. I have my wife, and my children are working at the moment, which is good. I'm the only one in the house that isn't working at the moment, so I look forward to getting into work again. I'm reliable. I have my own transport. I can, get there and on time. I'm punctual. Yep. And in my spare time, I just like to kick back with my family and enjoy my kids. We've been on the road, you don't get to see them much, but yeah, that's me. I'm all about my family, and that's pretty much me. So thanks, and hope to work for you soon. Cheers.